Hello everyone, today I will show you how to flatten specific pages of a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and see this PDF file not flattened and see this shape of you can select and this highlight also you can see this highlight and select and this shape option and first to do this I will flatten. Simply select organize option and here you will find this flatten option. Click here and select here page range. First to is 1 and type here 2. Now select OK and see this. Now you can simply select this shape and this highlight and also this shape and this together is now flatten and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.